Just making sure it's getting sent to YouTube first before I switch over. Okay, it is. So I'm going to kill this stream. As you can see, it's over there. So where the bloody hell is the pen? So I'm switching over to YouTube on the other one. I think it's already automatically started. So I'll see you over there. Come on. What the fuck? Okay, whoa, okay. Things are cool.
Apparently, there we go. Apparently there was 25 peak concurrence. I think that's got to be my best ever stream, on whether it's YouTube or Twitch. God damn. Holy shnikes. That is pretty cool. Right, go to the channel. It works! Yay! It swings and roundabouts, Ms. Aurora. Oh god, I've got to turn that down. Right, hang on. Cool. Ooh, yeah. I've got to turn... No. Even further, because it's clipping like hell. Okay. Right, so, yes, I'm aware there's no sources here. Let me just... Display capture. Okay. Select display. You. Yes, it works. No, it's too quiet. Well, that's the thing. If I do this, it's going to... I'm just talking regularly into the microphone, and it's clipping like hell. So there we'll have to do. Cool, okay. Right. Anyway. It's working! Oh, I'm so happy! Oh, I'm so happy with it! Okay. Mic volume and sound settings, input. Okay, so that is working, but that's like doing that, which is strange. Because that is correct. It should be outputting over my headphones. What that's doing is I don't bloody know. Okay. Let me just turn that down to there. Okay, good. I should no longer be clipping, which is what I want. Vanilla cinnamon looks so ugly. I might keep this for a while. I don't know. It looks alright. Anyway, I've got greater things to be chuffing around with, such as... No. No. Ah! I'm getting the screen flickering issues again. That is a persistent issue. Hang on, I just saw screen flickering, but... Okay, that's weird. I could have swore I saw screen flickering. Right. First things first. Let's go to Firefox. Bookmarks. Manage bookmarks. Import bookmarks on HTML. Other locations, 8 terabyte. Debian OS. Select. Okay. Choose a file. Other locations, 8 terabyte. No. Debian OS. That one. So you're telling me all my bookmarks are gone? Brilliant. For fuck's sake. Cool. All my bookmarks are gone. That's brilliant. That's bloody fantastic. Right. Yeah, I'll give that a try. I mean, the fact is, I don't know what's going on. There's not that many of them. It's just more the fact I would like it to work. Yeah, no. Nothing there. Nothing there at all. I don't bloody know what's going on. Ooh, you know what I should do now? Is I should plug in my other monitor and see if that wakes up. Oh, hello. Yes. Other monitor's picked up. It's on the wrong side, but that's fine. Hang on. Yeah, they're here. Because this is the file I exported, and it's all here. So. Frankly, I don't know. But small problem is when I look at this one, bookmarks toolbar, they're not there. Screw it. You know what? Let's just reboot Firefox. It could just be that. Okay, so import from file, bookmarks from HTML, select. Why didn't you do that the first time round? Why, when I said, give me my... Where are my bookmarks? Where are my book... Okay, so they're all there. It's just they're not on the bookmarks bar, so... Yay, I love this. Manage bookmarks. They're not there! Why the fuck are they not there? Where the fuck are they? For fuck's sake. I have... Oh my god. This is not This is not new for me. Let's actually set that up properly. You're over there. Keep changes. Number 1 is still a primary. So, bookmarks menu, bookmarks toolbar. Why are you there? Why was that so hard? It shouldn't have been. Also, let's give this a try, because... okay. It's happy with it, so I'll take it. I've just realised that's looking at the wrong monitor now. Why are you looking at the wrong goddamn monitor? Oh, no, it's just being weird. I don't know why it was doing that. Either way, it's working, so I'm going to minimise that. That can go away. I need to find a goddamn dark theme for this because... Ow, my eyes. No. You give me Crimson Merlot, okay. Oh, that looks so much better. That is just so much better. Cool. Right. Go away. Go away. Go away. Keep that. Right. Next thing on the list. sudo pacman-s steam. Can you believe there was 25 concurrent viewers watching me on the phone earlier? That's insane to me. Also, I like how it says, you have no networking, when I clearly do. Also, I like how this actually gives me battery power for my mouse. That's cool. Sorry, I just find that rather entertaining. Steam native. Oh, yeah, hang on. So, sudo pacman-s steam native runtime. Doesn't exist. Also, hang on. Task. No. New. Process? No. Okay, hang on. So sudo pacman-s yay. Yay not found. I'm just gonna do that. Just to see, hopefully give me some good news. Cool, so CD downloads, git clone https:// git hang on. AUR.arch-linux.org/yay not gag yay dash git sudo pacman-s go. Ooh, my face is not cooperating with me right now. I hear sirens. I didn't do it. Okay. So tar-xvf. Haha, I moved that out of the way real quick. Did you What? Why did that? Aurora? Is this normal for Kitten to automatically extract? Because I didn't tell it to do that. That one was freaky. I was not expecting that at all. Hang on. Bear with me. I currently can't see chat because I'm trying to log into Steam. Oh, God damn it. No, go away. I'm trying to log into Steam, but the screen's dead. Well, the screen on the phone is damaged. Oh, God fucking damn it. I think that's the password. That's not the password you set. Oh God, hang on. Oh no, I can't remember my password for Steam. It's been that long since I've had to log in. Oh dear God, that's not good. Hang on. Oh dear God, that's not good. That's not good. Hang on. Do I have it on this phone? Because I can't see what I'm trying to type because, you know, damn screen. Oh, that's not good. You know, I'll do that later. I'll do that later. Right, okay. Bring back that because it's being hidden. Oh, cool. Yay. Studio.youtube.com. Well, no, I know git clone doesn't. No, I was having issues with remembering my password for Steam. That's the problem, because I have set up with two-factor authentication via the QR code. That's the issue. Also, I'm seeing screen flickering, which means OBS is having an issue, but it's not showing up. Hang on, let me just put that there and see if it flickers. Yeah, it's flickering, and I don't know why. I can't. Oh my God! Why are you flickering? This will become a problem. I'll deal with that later. Right. Okay. Make package -si. Okay, so my phone is throwing a fit at me. Oh, hang on. I think I'll be fine. No, that's the password for the root account. Right. Why is Steam? Oh no, it's not Steam. Why is YouTube being a pain and not actually showing me my chat on the phone? Give me the chat. Cool. Now you're working fine. Disable VSync in cinema setting. Okay. Okay, so that would be system settings. No, it wouldn't be display, would it? No, it wouldn't be display. Settings. No. I hear sirens, I didn't do it. I love when settings aren't there. So nope. Why does it always fucking do this? No, I don't have Thunderbolt. Because I had the same issue on Debian. Maybe. First things first, we'll deal with... So, sudo yay-s steam native runtime. Hello, musical duck. Hope you're okay. Yeah, the good CPU is putting it politely. Yeah, so where is my Nvidia settings? I don't know. What the fuck is going on? That's not. Oh, for fuck's sake, this happens every time. I just love when things happen. Cool, I will do that. Haha! I remembered it. But that's not a new tab though. How do I control... Oh god, how do I get rid of that one? Aurora. I'll tell you what, instead of asking, why don't I use my brain and go... Kitty... Terminal... Hotkeys... Control Shift T, okay. Oh, it shows them there. Fuck. I didn't mean to do that. I would. Okay, so fuck off with the adverts. I'm getting served adverts on my own goddamn stream. I love that so much. At least game recognizes game and I'm getting paid by myself. That's funny. Okay, so god damn it, go away. Nvidia settings. So I have to install that, so sudo pacman-s Nvidia settings. That's better. Do not allow vblank. Maximum performance, yeah, I'll do that one. That makes more sense. Power miser. Preferred mode, prefer maximum performance. Oh yeah, high quality. Power miser, yeah. 54 degrees, that's fine. Good. PCI 16X, that's what I want. I'm glad about that. So, is the flickering happening? It does not look like it. I think I'm okay. God damn, oh, stop being so goddamn bright. I think it's okay. I'm not getting any flickering. Well, I wasn't getting any flickering, which is what I was concerned about. So I'm glad. Quit. Good, because that was issues I was having before with the other operating system. Right. You are currently installing. I will need to go back to Windows for Steam. But I won't do that now. I'll do that later. Because I've got like a bunch of games installed. Well, backed up ready for redo. I evidently just can't remember my own password, and that's a little bit concerning. So I'm going to have to go through like every password potential combination it could be. Fuck it, I'll just go reset the password. You know what? I can believe that. Because you've logged me out. Great. Email verification code to that email address. That I have access to. Ah, yes, DKMS drivers. That does make sense. Why are you just now sending me a Google security alert? What the hell? What the hell? Okay, give me my emails, because apparently I have forgotten my password for Steam. No, Samsung. Okay, I'm gonna have to quickly just move that to there whilst we wait, because I need to get my YubiKey still plugged in. I'm gonna have to get my Steam recovery code, which is over there, because I'm gonna do this now whilst I wait for this to finish. Cool, I've got the code. It's a good thing that I have the things saved in strange places. Oh, God, I need to separate the nails are too short to get the goddamn pen out of the phone. Oh, and I love the fact that this goddamn phone screen's broken. Give me the goddamn keyboard. It's a good thing that I have a stylus for this phone, because it's Samsung, otherwise I'd be crying right now. Yeah, well, I'd love to sign into Steam, but I forgot the goddamn code. It's going, hey, would you like to log into Steam? Yes, I would love to. I would love to log into Steam, but I cannot remember what my bloody password is. This is brilliant, isn't it? That's fine. I can now bring the chat back up. Do you have Steam installed on your phone? If you do, see, that's the thing. I do, but it logged me out, and I cannot remember the goddamn password. And that's kind of the problem, you know. So yeah, without that, it's kind of annoying. I can't remember. I just couldn't remember the password. I've got like a million different bloody passwords. It's a problem. Well, it's not kind of a problem. It is a problem. It's very annoying. Reset my password. Cool, password's been updated. Cool, it's now going to send me an email with login code. Yeah, well, why not? Whatever works for you, mate. Cool, I'm now logged into Steam, which means I'm going to be logged out. Means I'm going to be logged out from Steam on my other operating system. Yay! I forgot about that. I'm getting served with 3 adverts on my own goddamn computer, on my own goddamn stream. Anyway, why is this taking an age? Right, whilst this takes an age to redo, what I'm going to do is I'm going to restore game backups. And WNOS Steam backup select. Okay. Let's do Frostpunk then. Yeah, this taking its time is going to be what kills me. Anyway. Hello everyone. Hope you're having a wonderful day. We started off a while ago having started Cinnamon desktop. What do you mean? Updates? What the hell are you talking about? Update suspended. What? No, I'm not doing that. That can wait for later. There's no way I'm bloody doing that now. Okay, let's scroll through. Okay, we've got OBS sorted out. No more screen flickering. We've got Steam sorted out. Yeah, I'll cancel it. Aborted by user exiting. Right, next thing up is close all of these tabs, so I can then move this back over here. And then go back to GitHub. And then go back to my GitHub. Profile. My face is hurting like hell. I don't know why that is, and it's annoying me because it shouldn't be happening. Steam OS terminal instructions. No, what configure? No, where is my... Okay. There it is. Ow, my eyes. Sorry about that, guys. Show hidden files. That's what I wanted. Config. Not Nemo, not Kitty. Does oh, that's a good point. It wouldn't be here, would it? Wouldn't be Nemo. Oh, what am I trying to find? High fetch config. Meow. Let's go. I prefer the horizontal. No. Yes. Cool. That's what we wanted. This looks nice. I like this. I'm glad that one actually shows up. That looks cool. Also, ow, my face is I know why my face is killing me. It's rather annoying. Can't do anything about it until Macca's gives me a shift so I can go to the bloody dentist. Ow. Anyway. We have functioning. This is all good. Let's check chat. See what chat was saying, shall we? Actually have a look at it. Hello to the 19 of you. Goddamn. Right, so really through. Cool. Power miser, we've done that. Set maximum. Yeah, done that. It's flickering again. Why are you flickering, OBS? Hello, ATNM, and I'm Zaki. Hope you're doing well. Why in the goddamn are you flickering? This is annoying. Why do you do that? Advanced settings. See, that's the thing, it was flickering. If I just wait for a second. It was flickering. Cancel, just... I don't know. I'll keep an eye on it. That's weird. But you saw it, yeah? Like, I'm not going insane here. I feel like I'm going insane. Like, I know I'm not. It's just one of those. I feel like I am, because I can clearly see the issue happening, but it's not happening, and it's making me go crazy. Well, I feel like I'm going crazy. Yeah, that's not something I want to be doing right now. Yeah, it's definitely not something I want to be doing right now. Screw it, let's install the better one, shall we? So what is it? It is... Nvidia DKMS. So first things first, Linux Cache OS Bohr LTO kernel. So, I'm guessing if I just... let me just copy. So, yay. Why can't I copy paste? Control Shift V, that's weird. I don't know if that's just installed it or not. I'll check it later. Also, how are there 23 of you watching? Hello! That's insane to me. Sorry. I find that insane. I love it, but it's just like, what? I'm gonna just hide from that. I don't want to see it. I'm gonna pretend like you're not there and just talk regularly. Hello, Evel Trucker Man. I hope you're all doing well. Oh, that just... it's weird to see that many people, and I can't get over it. Right. We sorted out Steam. I've unchuffed Steam, so that's now sorted out. Let's try backing something out. Or try restoring a backup from somewhere else, shall we? Oh, why do you do that? I was having an issue earlier. Try Democracy 4. Yeah, install. Restoring from backup. Will you actually work? Why are you trying to update? You shouldn't be updating. The whole point of... the whole point of the backup was to not have to update. Why are you updating? Right. Anyway. We've made good movement. So, what I now want to do is disks. Great. You know what I forgot to install? Disk utilities. Preferences, because where is disk utilities? Where are you? I have to install disk utilities now, aren't I? Mason, hello, real Mason Foxworth and Mr. Evel Truckerman. Welcome along, both of you. And use whatever operating system works for you. I am just getting a bit hilariously chuffed off with things not working as they should be, because I have a habit of things breaking. Also, why? Oh my god! Right, disks, util, Linux. Why are you not installed? Like, why are you not installed? You should be. And that's the problem. That's what I have. Why are you not installed? That's what I want. Let me install you. Thank you. Okay. Woo! Hello, Miss Love. How you doing, my friend? Good news, sir. We're installed now. What's going on? What's going on? How have I put in the right password? Anyway, thank you very much for being subscribed for 31 months. That is insane. Cool. Working. Cool. Working. Cool. Alive. Right. I know for a fact that doesn't... It runs. It just doesn't automatically from start. So that's fine. That'll do. Right. Drive settings. No. Do not automatic standby. No. Smart data and self-test. Actually, yes, that is something I need to be concerned about for this drive. Power on hours. That's not bad. That's fine. Type. What do you mean type old age? What? What do you mean type old age? It's only had a year and a, it's only had 18 months worth of runtime. And 29 days. What? No, not Hyperland. Cinnamon. Although, guess what I'm about to... head flying ass. 10 months, 3 days. How is that old age? How? You know what? We're going to leave that alone. We're going to close it. Right, what we are now going to do, though, is we're going to make this look like Windows XP, because I'm kind of getting tired of this look. Now, I have previously made something for it. Cool. So, okay. So, first things first, I can't do that in the way I thought I was going to be able to do it. So, drag you to there. Drag you to there. So, create a folder, dot themes. Code, download zip. Welcome. BSPWM on top. Yeah, I was very happy with the fact it was working. I have a habit of breaking everything. Would you... you can't? Huh? Oh, hang on. I need to install unzip. Uzip. Okay. And then unzip. Sudo pacman-s 7-zip. What the hell? Cool. Oh, that's right. Hang on. Let me just... Oh, I can see why that might be a bit of a concern. File roller, yep. Sudo pacman-s file roller. I forgot the hyphen. There we go. Why do you go over there? Just extract to the same place, please. What? Why can't I just do right-click extract? Like, is that too much to ask? Ooh, why do you go all the way up? An error occurred. Oh my god. Windows XP loaner. Home. Themes. Paste. Themes. So, why is downloads not there? Pin. No. Add to favorites. Why are you not there? Yes, I don't know why it's not bloody showing up there. It should be, which is kind of annoying, but there we go. That is me for you. The simplest of stuff should take place, but it doesn't. Hello, Abba Jessica. Welcome along, my friend. Where did it just go? Whoa. This is the default one that comes with it. And I've got no idea what the hell's going on. That's a problem. Hello, what's going on? Do you want to try that one again, mate? I don't know what the downloads yet. I would if it let me click. God damn it. What the hell's going on? That'll do. I'll live with that. I mean, it won't, but it's... What the hell is going on? Right. Yes, delete the not archive. Extract. Extract. Why are you failing? Hang on, let me just try something. Paste. I don't know. Yeah, I think I will. So, where am I? Oh, that's perfect, actually. So what I want to do is go here and just remove that. Delete. File, roller. Open, downloads, open, extract. Extract. Command exited abnormally. What? Warning, locales not supported by C library. Using fallback C locale. I mean, that's what I can find. That's what it looks like to me. I mean, that's what it's saying anyway. Since when was Australia... Okay, so Australia is not supported by... So it's not supported by C. What? Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do that. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, that I am, but it's throwing a fit and going, hey, you don't exist. Yeah, I'll have to... Okay, let's try this again. I shouldn't be having this many goddamn issues. No, I didn't mean to mount archive. How did you exit abnormal? What? Right, hang on. Unzip. Ian_au dot UTF-8 dot UTF-8. Right. What the hell's going on? I don't bloody know. Right, get rid of you. Get rid of you. Paste you in. Find themes. What the fuck? Cool. Doesn't want to work. Oh, brain. Please bear with me. My brain needs to catch up. Cool. It's because I put it in local. Not icons. Papyrus, no. There we go. That looks better. This is messed up though. I don't know what the hell's going on here. Yeah, this... Oh, I don't know what the hell's going on. Appearance. That looks better. I like that. Doesn't that just look nicer? Plus, it's got the old Firefox logo. That's the old Firefox logo. I don't know what the hell's going on here. What the hell's that? Yeah, I don't know what the hell's going on here. This should actually look like the Windows XP menu. So why it's not? I don't know. Oh, what the hell are you doing? What the hell are you doing? Oh, yay! Guess what? The file manager's having a shit on the bed. God, I love when that happens. Not. Right, where is Debian? damn it. No, that's the right Debian. I have 2 Debian folders. One of them isn't correct. So now, ta-da! It looks nice, except for whatever the hell that is, which I don't want though. Panel edit mode, that. Remove corner bar. Ta-da! That looks very nice. I like that. This is the Windows we deserve these days. Cool. I don't know what the hell was going on with that. Why is that called? I don't know. I don't know what the hell's going on there. Hello, Fruity Femboy Gaming. I love your name, mate. It's hilarious. I love it. Right. I've now got to go through and figure out what in the hell is going on to prevent downloads from appearing on the bloody bar. Right, go to home. Downloads. Remove from favorites. Pin. Actually, let's tell you what. I will show you what my system specs are because I have high fetch, clear, high fetch. These are my system specs. What the hell name is that? Nvidia start menu. That's what's. Real people do like that. Yes, I do. Hello, Crumful. My CPU was a gift from an unnamed benefactor years ago, and it works fantastically. So until I can afford. Well, I'm not gonna be until it dies. I'm not gonna get rid of it because it's bloody brilliant. It's a Ryzen 9 5950X, apparently reporting 5 goddamn gigahertz. Okay, I'll take it. Sure. Apparently that's working. Applets. Okay, so it is download CINNVII start menu. Next on the list is actually ZSH. And then OMI ZSH. Because I like OMI ZSH. Once the scene catches up. Cool. Configure. Actually, no. Edit menu. Willow. Oh god, hang on. How do I do this? Manage. U plus. That looks correct, but it's in the wrong place. So remove that menu. Yes. That's the menu I want. Cool. Now we do no more panel edit mode. Configure. Panel. No. Menu. Yes, hi. Your Ah, you mean, hang on. What you mean to say is you're thinking about this version. Themes, paste. You're thinking about oh god, Themes is having a moment with itself. You're thinking about Royale Dark. I prefer Luna. I said I prefer Luna. And was it? I was just being blind, I guess. Configure. Panel. Custom icon and label. Start. Here. Select. Start. That looks better. Tell me this doesn't look golden. I bloody dare you. Oh, this just takes me back. I prefer the way this looks over other options. I also like how it's the old Windows XP, Firefox logo as well. Yes, if it has compatible. Tell you what, seeing as you've mentioned Zune, orange. Royale kind of looks like the see. Royale is getting towards Windows Vista. Yeah, Royale's getting towards Vista. And of course, you've got the Windows XP embedded for embedded operating systems. No thanks. Royale. See, I prefer the typical, like the typical look of things. Hey, there is no such thing as a fake Linux user. If you use it, you're a Linux user. If you don't, you don't. If you haven't installed and use it, fair dinkum. I use both because I have a need for both. Ah, you know what I need to install next? Discord. I'm putting in the root password and not my password. Yeah, I keep accidentally putting in the goddamn root password. That's not right at all. I love how it drags that in automatically. Like, that's nice. Just give it to me. Give me the functional. Cool. If I now do Discord, it's going to go, hey, the version of Discord you have needs to be updated because it's the wrong version. Meh meh meh. I'm not the up-to-date version, even though I'm from the repository. Meh meh meh. Believe so? I mean, that's how we're getting this. Hang on. I think, Wayland is installed anyway. Oh, cool. That actually worked first time. I'm going to log into Discord on my phone. Well, from my phone even. Come on. Yes, scan QR code. This is indeed me trying to log in on my own goddamn device. Don't tell me what I can and can't do. Yes, this was me. I trust it. I trust me and my device. Cool. That's what I wanted. It does not recognize... Oh, okay, it's recognized streaming mode. Right. Let me just go through the list of things that are here. So, that we've done. Aurora is a very good friend of mine, and she has done quite a lot for me and assisted me massively. Right, let me just scroll through and have a look. We've sorted out the menu. That's good. We've got... Yeah, I need to... Like, I'd love to... I'd love to try and figure out what the hell's going on there. No, I agree. That is a bit stupid. Yeah, no, I agree. It's horrendous. Like, no, it shouldn't do that. No. I've said it before and I will say it again. If buying isn't owning, then piracy isn't theft. I'll take that. Okay. I think I need to be inside the downloads folder. No, it doesn't want to do it. What the hell is going on? I'm doing things... Want to be a good one, buy it officially, yeah. Poland can into space. Why is it giving me the wrong goddamn... What the hell is it doing? So if I... What the fuck? I don't know. What the fuck is it doing? I don't know. I actually don't know. Oh my god. Add bookmark. Okay. Fine. I don't know. This will do. It's there. It's there. It'll do. I'll accept it. I have never been to Poland. The closest I've gotten to Poland is flying over it. I'm not going to for now because... let's find out. Sudo pacman-s xdg users is... Let's get rid of the yes. Apparently I did not. Fuck's sake. Close. Open. Downloads. Why don't you want to play ball? Yay, finally! Oh my god. That took an age. If it still launches the original launcher, so I'm at the same. So I'm at the same because I bought the game on Ubicuck launcher. Yes, it is Ubicuck. I agree. The only game that I have from Ubicuck is Anno 1800. That's the only game I will, because I actually very much enjoy Anno 1800. That's the only game I have from Ubicuck. I'm going to have to go through and redo this because, yes, that's something I have to redo. Grub instructions. I need to do OS Prober. Right. So, sudo pacman-so OS Probe was not installed. No such file or directory. What? Oh, don't tell me I'm going to have to update this one as well. Okay, no, that's fine. Okay, so actually, now would be a good time to update it. Yep, so sudo nano /etc/default/grub. Oh, how my face is killing me. Done. You know what? I'm glad I decided to do this on stream because I would not have figured that one out. I clearly needed that one. We're updating the repository as we go. Grub, make, config. I should know this one by now. I'm just finding out times I've done it. /boot/grub/grub.cfg. Oh god, no thanks. There we go. I will check that next time around. I will not use their goddamn AI. No, thank you. Oh, you know what I need to check though? Please tell me that I haven't undone any updating. Yes, I agree, Microslop. Tell me they haven't updated anything. What? I'm sorry. Oh, that's right, because you... Why doesn't that redirect? That should redirect. Oh no, I was just checking this because how many wine scripts do I have? Like 1 billion wine scripts? And I wanted to check see if I have to update them. Do I have to update that one? 25.10. I can't remember now. No, I don't have to update that because that's actually there. Yeah, no, I agree with that one. Fruity. Wine, not wine staging, because sudo pacman -s wine. I mean, I know that's pretty much there. Yeah, we'll find out. As that waka wakas its way through, tell you what we will do. We will test the game right quick. No. I know wine staging is experimental. I don't like AI. I exist in the mind of AI. And I can prove it. Let me demonstrate. Who is Linux? Tell you what, we'll even do this from... because I haven't done this one yet. So, who is Linux Panic? Delve deeper in AI mode. Cool, I don't exist in the brain of this AI. That's good. Who is Linux? If I do that, that might be something different. Well, cool. Right. To prove I exist, who is Linux Panic? Well, Linux Panic or kernel panic usually refers to critical system error. Linux Panic is the name of me. Yeah. Setting up password managers like KeyPassXC. That's KeyPassX, not XC, because I know I didn't put the C there. Maintains and includes privacy policy and terms of service. No. No, I don't. I do not maintain a privacy policy for my website. Well, I kind of do actually. Why is it wanting me to install wine mono just to find out what the version I'm running? No, stop that. I don't blame you. It's not artificial intelligence, it's artificial incompetence. That's what it is. AI does not stand for intelligence. It stands for artificial incompetence. And you will never prove me goddamn wrong. I mean, you can if you want, it's just I really need to actually update that website. Because it's been a while. Tell you what. It's been a while, so I don't know if it's still alive or not. Because I know the domain is. Cool, okay. Oh, I forgot that existed. I forgot that existed. I'm sorry I had to say that. Also, have a... I forgot that existed. Oh god, it's been a while since I've seen. Oh fuck. Oh shit, I forgot that existed. Oh god. I forgot. Oh god. Oh, that'd be good if it could. That's a thing that I had. I forgot that was there. Hey Aurora, can I have some help please? I don't know what the hell's going on here. Yeah, that's about right. It's not even intelligence. It's just pulling from a pool of already existing data, except that data is being thinned out by other AI. It's just being like thinned out by more and more crap that's being fed into it. You know, it's like there's nothing there. I really should update that website. Oh, it got me good. I don't know why the hell that's throwing a fit for just asking the version of wine, because it wants to open a window. So I did. 11.6, cool. That's not the version of wine we're on. I know I'm looking at the wrong version. Like, I know that's not the version. No, that is, yeah. That's the staging version as well. No, that is the correct version. Sorry, I just forgot that the ice the ice symphonic stickers existed. Oh god. I just forgot that existed. I'm sorry. I had a good laugh with that one. Oh god. Right. Desktop. Let's put things back now. It works, it functions, it does what's needed. That's the right thing. So, let's try you again. No. No, don't do it again. I'm gonna have to change that to Nick. I could set that to a 1777. 1 for the sticky and the 777 for everyone. I could do that. But I will say that's pulling it off to drive it. That's pulling that off of spinning media very goddamn fast. I like my Windows XP. It gets better. Hang on, let me just fade all of these windows out. It gets better. I have the Luna background. It looks bloody brilliant. I just love the way it looks. You know. Like, that's the thing. Like, why drift away from such a nice looking operating system? Well, from a nice looking theme. Oh, but we need to make things look modern. Me. Yeah, well, your modernity sucks ass. Go away. I want my working, nice looking stuff back. I'm going to. I know I'm moving it to the root desktop because I don't know why something's not working. I will change the user to Nick once it's done moving across. Which I've got to say, the fact it's coming off spinning media is pretty damn cool. It's coming off at 83 megasecond from spinning media. That's damn nice. That's bloody quick. I'll say it wasn't moving that fast getting off. Well, yeah. Why would it wasn't that fast earlier when copying it from this drive? I've literally taken it off the NVMe drive, put it on the hard drive, then putting it back on the NVMe drive. Properties. Read and write. Yeah, oh, you motherfucker. Yeah, hi, can I? You want to be a pain in the ass, don't you? What? What do you mean cannot get attribute type? What? Yeah, I know. Have I accidentally created a second desktop? No, I haven't. I'm just trying to... What the fuck? Yeah. Oh, my face, goddamn. So, yeah, sudo mv/root/desktop/*2 what the hell do you want to do? I would tell you, but it doesn't want to work. maybe. I might have to be the way. Hello to a Corolla. Hi. That might have to be the way I do it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do it that way, aren't I? So, mv dot slash desktop 2 slash home slash nick slash mv dot slash hang on cd desktop mv dot slash place dot slash asterisk 2 tilde slash home nick desktop. It did not mean to do that, so if I now do that, there we go. There we go. Cool. Things are there. What's in heresy? Ooh, why do you open as a file? Why do you open in terminal? Oh, hello, you shouldn't do that. I'm trying to smooth out some of the issues, such as the fact of... What the fuck? What? No, cancel. Files. So, why... First off, where's heresy? There it is. Yeah, have a look at this thing. This is the logo for sudo, by the way. I wish I was kidding. That is the logo for sudo. And to prove my point... Oh, hang on. Sudo.ws even. Yeah. I wish I was kidding. That is the name. It used to be this until it became this. Yeah. It used to be that, and now it's that. Why the it's XKCD 40? Hang on. Inspired by make me a sandwich. What make yourself sudo make me a sandwich? Okay. Oh god. Yes, this it is a BLT. You got your bacon, you got your lettuce, and you got your tomato. A BLT a BLT sandwich is the name is the logo for one of the most used tools in Linux, and I don't know what the fuck is going on here. Open with files. Set as default. Okay. Thank you. I don't think you could ask an AI to generate that fucker. That's for sure. Like seriously, just look at it. Just stare into its eyes. Just stare into its eyes. You wouldn't be able to get a. I tell you what, let's have a see, shall we? ChatGPT. I want to see. ChatGPT now is available. Hang on. Make a BLT. Hang on. Please make a BLT sandwich. Please make a cartoon BLT sandwich with a smiling face on it. Let's have a look to see what it generates. Oh, get fucked. I'm not signing into your bullshit. Yes, they appear to be. I don't know. Is that what it was throwing issue with? Oh my god, it was. Yeah. That's what it was throwing. Like, it's working now, so... It was just pulling from the wrong goddamn thing for a moment. I don't quite know why. Well, I do. It's called... I asked it to do something. And I... It's me. Also, this is a thing. This is a thing. It's called an OS 10. Yes, it's called an OS 10. It looks adorable. I love it. Hang on. Linux OS 10s. If possible, can I have some more? Oh my god. Puppy Chan, oh god. Hang on, wait, Debian has one? Oh my god, it does. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. First appearance 2005. What the fuck is that? I'm sorry, because I refused to sign into ChatGPT, I just got... Oh god. Welcome to... Welcome to AI's version of... Oh god, hang on. Welcome to AI's version of this is what you walked into. Oh god, hang on, let me zoom back out. Yeah, welcome to AI's version of this. Hang on. You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. Oh god. Yeah, you versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. I'm not sure what's worse, this or that. This looks like it's friendly. That one looks like it's gonna fucking eat you in the night. Oh god. That's just hilarious. I don't bloody know. Anyway, yes, Debian Tan first appeared 2000 and goddamn 5. That makes sense. That makes sense. Hang on, Arch. That's not weapons. I'm sorry. What? She has weapons? Oh god. See, this is history Both are SCPs. I mean, yeah, both are SCPs. I mean, to be fair, you kind of have to be armed to to use Arch. Oh god. There are two known versions of Arch Linux 10. The first is made by artist Juzo-kun. Depicts her as a woman with long hair tied in a ponytail, glasses, a futuristic trench coat, and a penguin build-styled visor with Pac-Man decorations. Like Juzo-kun's other Linux 10s, she carries a spear, has brown hair and amber eyes. C-chan designed a derivative Arch Linux 10, keeping many of Juzo-kun's design cues but changing her hair colour to a deep cerulean, omitting the visor and giving her a bow and arrow. Why do they both have weapons? I'm sorry. Let me just have a look. First appearance, June 2005. Why does she have a weapon as well? Why do they all have weapons? Which one of these does not have a weapon? I need to find out. Linux XP, what are you talking about? Oh, it's flickering again. Yes. I love the Linux XP. I love the Linux XP OS 10. It's fantastic. What the fuck? Red Hat. I actually spoke to people from Red Hat a few years ago. First appearance. When? Oh, that's a shame. First appearance 2007. Oh god. Fried Chicken Linux is a Linux software repository designed for the University of Copenhagen. All I was saying was, oh look, there is OS 10s. Like, these are a thing. And then Fried Chicken Linux 10 from Copenhagen. What the fuck? Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh my god, Barbie Linux has one. Doesn't have one. Faction. Wanderer class. What? Hang on. You know what? Seeing as you've mentioned it. I actually do need to install QAMU. I need to go full for this, don't I? No, it's just base. Yes. Well, why not? Also, does Deepin have one? No, it does not. I don't know how we got here. I know, I prefer Vert Manager. And then sudo pacman-s vert manager. It just works. Oh. Whoa. Hang on. Since fried chicken Linux Tan's hat looks like a fried chicken, it has a tendency to be stolen and eaten. Due to this misfortune, a strange, yet adorable, relationship is budding between FCL Chan and the virus Abraxas Tan. Who the fuck is Abraxas? And why are they not here? I don't bloody know. Hang on, let me pull this up. Aurora, do you see the problem here? Google Translate is getting rid of your... Yeah, okay. Google Translate's getting rid of your language. I find that rude. The law thickens. The plot thickens. Oh my god. I'll tell you what. Let's have a Slackware. I can see having one. First appearance 2005. Yeah, that makes sense. Yes, I did mean the Abraxas computer virus. Why does Fried Chicken Linux have a relationship with a DOS virus? Okay, so let's actually... I might get in trouble with YouTube for that one. Fuck it. This is for commentary purposes only. I'm not stealing.
Labour's free.
Shut up. I'm not gonna give them free advertising. Cool.
This is DOS virus, and this virus actually has the distinction of being the first DOS virus that I ever narrated a video with. So before this, all my videos were just silent. They were me holding a camera, and I just kind of pointed it arbitrarily at the screen and just hoped the viewer would read the description and figure out what I was doing. I hope you like the current format better, where I kind of, explain everything we're doing. And one thing that really stands out about this to me is that it's a good illustration of DOS viruses scaring the crap out of me. Because I used to run viruses just completely blind. Like, I'd read about them and just go, and I didn't test them beforehand. And this one plays a rather loud scale. At least it was loud when I did it then, so let's check it out. All my videos were just silent.
But
I hope you really... And I did it then, so let's check it out.
yeah, that's getting louder.
Get the nice Braxis logo.
Yeah.
Some garbage text. Then it returns control to DOS. And this will happen on any infected file. I just remember this scaring the crap out of me. Like, if you watch the original video, you can see the camera shake because it made me jump. It's pretty funny. Let's look at graphics.com, our old favorite. 19742, let's run it. Alright, did it infect it? I don't know. It didn't do anything if it did. It's not doing anything. Alright, let's
oh, he's got my luck.
Command. If we run it again, we'll do the virus scale again? Yes, it will. I guess that's how we'll end this video. Ooh, more garbage text. I wonder if the garbage text changes every time. Let's find.
That's getting loud, so no thanks. But who the hell is writing fanfic between the University of Copenhagen and a goddamn computer virus? Oh my god. Like, surely no one's... Oh, I've said that now. Surely. I've said that now. Somebody probably has, and I'm just no. I'm avoiding the one underneath Barbie Linux. Ooh, not fun. Ooh, definitely not fun. Fedora, yeah, Fedora-chan, I come back before 2005. Why does she have so much more? The current owner of OS X's collection is named after Fedora-chan. This resulted in many jokes over the years about his identity. What? Fedora-chan is the younger sister of Red Hat. Why are they... She's the highest ranking member of the Linux Unix consortium. She's less concerned about her rank than her sister, and is more focused on the... All I wanted to do was install Linux and get things working. How the hell did we end up here? I feel like this is a problem. The Bingos, what? Oh, no, yeah, that's right. These were actual legitimate drawings. The Bingos were actual legitimate Microsoft marketing in Japan. Like, I'm not kidding. I remember seeing a video about these. These were actual marketing material in Japan. Hang on, I've got to pull one of my ears out because they're... Yeah. Yeah, as you can see. Created 5 characters for Windows 7. With wallpapers and voice packs. Okay, voice actor Fujita Saki voiced Hatsune Miku. The woman who voiced Hatsune Miku did a Windows OS 10. Oh my god. I feel like I'm going insane. Yes, I have gone too deep. I want to back out this now. I feel like I'm going insane. Why OS X 10? Like, I feel like I'm going insane. And there it is. Remember when I said I feel like I'm going insane? What the what the fuck am I looking at? What the fuck am I looking at? Oh god. Why? What am I looking at? Just the face. Just the faces. Oh god. What? What the fuck is 95chan? First appearance on yeah, probably around about 1997. Finally, a respectable OS 10. A respectable OS 10. Finally. Ah, bomb error, okay. I want to see what the hell that one looks like. Ah, first appearance 2007. Okay. Was designed for video by a video production company for, well, video production. That reads like a journal entry, a news article in a Wikipedia link. As a result, Chainsaw Linux 10 uses her skills and Chainsaw to sculpt video data, CGI graphics, and 3D animation into works of video art. In a pinch, however, she can use that chainsaw to attack or defend. Oh god. Chainsaw Tan has long black hair which is tied into 2 ponytails and clipped with miniature chainsaws. She has red eyes, her long sleeve black shirt, has a wide red collar with metal chainsaw teeth. Her pleated red skirt also has chainsaw teeth and has been known to bite things that get too close. She will edit you to death. How the fuck did we get here? I think I've gone too deep now. Oh, that's boring. Tiny Sofa OS. First appearance 2007. God damn. There's nothing here. That's sad. Red flag. This is a rebro. You took us. You're still with me. That's the point. Red Flag Linux is a Chinese Linux distro based off of Red Hat and Asian Lux, and is the most popular distro in China. Yeah, that makes sense. Is represented as a proud and confident, but not arrogant, business lady with dark red eyes, black hair partly in a ponytail, and wears a traditional red Chinese dress. She also carries a red flag as her own lifestyle, and has her own lifestyle which calls the Red Flag Way, a reference to the Red Flag Way being Red Flag's modern management pattern. No, Red Star does not have one, which I think is a good thing. Ah, Yellow Dog, yep. It doesn't exist. Yellow Dog Linux Tan is represented as a dog girl, not here. With yellow ears and a tail, her hair is blonde with blue streaks, and in a ponytail. She has yellow eyes, wears a collar with a yellow dog on it, with a blouse, leggings, and gloves. Her outfits have a 1980s flair to them. Yeah, that makes sense. Huh, I did not know that. First appearance, again, 2007. Faction, Linux, oh god. Why do they have factions? She is friends with MacTans, Amiga Tans. Yeah, like this one actually looks decently done as well. Rivals, Atari ST and Commodore 64 former. Oh my god. What the fuck? First appearance 2006. Oh my god. After the family's bankruptcy. What? Oh my god. Hang on, I want to read this. After the Commodore family disbanded, everyone was left to fend for themselves, and many of them went on their own ways. Amiga-tan was alone, and wasn't prepared for the brutality of the OS wars. She couldn't stop and help others, and this upset her a lot. All she could do was run from place to place, narrowly escaping the crossfire. During that time, she met Apple II-tan, Lisa-tan, GS/GOS-tan, who retired from the Apple family to live on II-tan's farmland. II-tan allowed her to live with them, though Lisa-tan was indifferent. GS/OS-tan was hostile at first, but they allied and motivated to help other OS-tans hurt by the war. During the war relief efforts, Amiga-tan and her new friends found Windows 1.0-tan and 2.0-tan, desperately wandering around in the ravaged land. At first, 1.0-tan and 2.0-tan refused to join them, feeling guilty that they caused the OS wars and didn't deserve help being offered to them. How the fuck did we end up here? What the fuck? I need to find out now. Yeah, the 2GS, I remember now. Okay, so there's the Apple II. There's Apple Lisa. (2GS) doesn't exist, which is unfortunate. How the hell did we end up? I don't know how the hell we ended up here. Oh god, right, hang on. What do you mean by mainframe tans? That's a shame Colossus doesn't have one. Whirlwind. Oh my god. Memory serves me correct. Colossus actually was the Mega one. PC DOS. Okay, hang on. DOS 10s. PC DOS. You can tell them PC. Oh god. PC DOS has a 10. What the fuck? Yeah, like that makes sense for IBM. How the fuck did we get here? I don't know how the hell we got here anymore. Why are we here? Just to suffer. Why are there so goddamn many of them? Sinclair, yeah. Rambo 100, React OS. I know that one. That makes sense for React OS. Yeah, that also makes sense for IBM. ZX Spectrum, yeah. Come on. Yeah, that looks nice. I like that. Why? Why is this a thing? Honeywell kitchen computer. What? Oh. No file. Boo. What? That's weird. Damn small BSD. AMX BSD. Ooh, BSD. Open BSD. Next step. That's Steve Jobs' one. Weapons. Side handle. We've got back to weapons again. User space gang. What the fuck? OpenBSD Tan's mother is BSD Tan, and sisters are NetBSD, FreeBSD, and Dragonfly BSD. What? Is vaguely punk, incorporating spiked leather bracelets and a choker, fishnet stockings, knee-high style military boots, a white shirt, and a black miniskirt. She's a skilled fighter with her favourite weapon being a nightstick. How the hell did we get here? I don't even know anymore. What the fuck? Right, let's have a look at the founding one, shall we? Unix. First appearance 07 or 09, C-Chan. Ah, yes. We recognise that one. Maybe there is, I'll have to have a look. Why is she so written? I mean, I know it kind of makes sense, you know. She's the... You know. Darwin. Nope. What I do recognise, though, is when I can find that again. Next step. That is Steve Jobs' private one. Next step is based off Next, which was, again, like I said, Steve Jobs. Founded by Steve Jobs when he left Apple, before he returned back to Apple. Wait, what? Next was... leading to the creation of Mac to OS X. It's the platform that Doom and the WWW was created on. Or weapons, pistols, tanks. How the fuck? Why do these women need... Oh my god, why do these things need weapons? Why do these things need weapons? I feel like I'm going insane. Sight Tans. Okay, I need to see 404. Oh, I did not know that. How? What? Just... I'm sorry. Oh, that's a shame. Actually, no. Let's have a look at that properly. Internet Explorer 10. Internet Explorer 10. And she's got a fleshed out... Hiraki Aibazawa, who represents Silverlight, is a cousin. She's close personal friends with you and I, being Windows RT and Windows 8. And she hates malware, viruses, online bullies, and trolls. Surely that one in the could be one and the same. How just oh. Well, the sugar used to be clumsy, slow, and awkward. Yeah, that's about right for Windows for Internet Explorer, don't you think? XK Platypus. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, it looks adorable. This is for the mascot for the kernel of Mac OS/iOS. So basically the Apple kernel thing. I like that. That looks cool. VI has one. Just the look on her face going, oh, God, help me. Oh, God, that's funny. I like that. That's cool. I like that. MSN Messenger. Yeah. God, that's not good. That's breaking. That's not what I want. Yeah, I know. I saw that as well. Why someone decided to is depicted as a blonde woman wearing a long red dress. She occasionally seen wearing a monocle or periodic European wear. Also in a red-yellow colouring scheme. It seems that both Dr. Norton and Trend Micro welcome her existence due to her beauty. We've got two images here. Welcome to McAfee virus. Yeah, no, because I came with sound packs. Bloody LimeWire. Let's have a look. Oh, nothing but LimeWire. Photoshop. No. Emacs. Yeah, makes sense. What the hell? Malware. We have malware tans. Festering hate. Doesn't exist. Cerberus. And if I remember correctly, didn't you not mention CIH? Also known as Chernobyl. Oh god, no. COM.exe infector, yep. This is just insane. Like, how the hell we got here, I don't know. Oh look, it's a Abraxas. Unwittingly speak in Esperanto. Hang on. Let me just prepare. A modest virus tan who believes in her notion of making the impossible possible. OS tan, or Espertan as some have called her, is probably one of the few virus tans who are not only able to take on the Windows tans, but also the Mac and DOS OS TANs as well. However, the only reason she was able to infect Mac TANs was due to the fact she herself is half Mac virus. Because of her diverse assortment of OS TANs she can infect, she is seen as a crucial ally and is treated though she is a general, despite the fact she has shunned all offers to ascend to the general rank. Instead, she sees herself as a regular virus despite her high-level talent and prowess. However, Esperanto Tan is extremely persistent and will not give up on the task until she completes it. As her name obviously suggests, Espertan is a fluent speaker in the name of the language of the same name, though English is her first language. She is known to unwittingly speak in Esperanto when she's engaged in conversation, which can make it a hassle for one to know what exactly she's saying to them. Even Brainsummer is sometimes stumped on what she says. Abraxas Tan, however, seems to understand her, and it's been known that the two of them can go on for hours in conversation, completely in Esperanto. Her appearance is similar to a gypsy, while the fact she is half Mac virus is a reference to the true virus being Esperanto, had a small portion of Mac virus in its code, which in turn is able to infect Mac OS TANs. Why are there 12 of you watching? They have a look at this. I don't know. This is just insane. Disc killer. What? Also known as Ogre. I don't know how we ended up here. Human names Lena Torvalds instead of Linus Torvalds. First appearance unknown. Boo. Futaba Linux Tan. Oh, C Chan's Linux Tan. Yeah, we've seen that one before. Oh my god. There's Linux Chibis. Oh god. There's Linux Chibis. Beastie group picture. Oh god. I mean, I should know he's aware of Xenia, because that could have been. And of course, there's the one with the bloody nightstick. Oh, I need to stop looking at this now. Why? There's a comic. Oh, that's a not. Oh, that's why it's DeviantArt. Right, I think I'm gonna have to call it here because my face is it's killing me. Even worse rabbit hole. I have been going on the operating system for 2.5 hours. Probably 2 hours of that just spent looking at OS TANs. This is insane. Right, I want to thank everyone for spending the time watching OS TANs with me. I did not know there were so goddamn many. I just thought it was like 1 or 2, but not. This is insane. I want to thank you all. Like, you've all been amazing, and I just want to thank you. Thank you for putting up with it. You've all been wonderful. Hopefully next time I stream, things will be a bit different. I might actually try to do Linux from scratch this week. That's very tempting, actually. Anyway. Exactly. Anyway, it's just been a fantastic time. If you're not already subscribed, maybe consider subscribing. If you like the stream, hit the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike. They both seem to work, even though you can only see one of them. Maybe consider becoming a channel member where you can stand out, where you get early access to videos, and badges next to said live stream. Anyway, this has been a fun time. I'm glad we were able to get things working. It's been a good, 4 hours. I started at 6, it's now 10. Yeah, it's been just shy of 5 hours, actually. So, this is rather cool. Remember, when you use Linux, don't panic. I have been Nick. You have been amazing. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye.